Selecting the right rose for your garden is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your rose garden experience and success. Prior to the internet, information on roses and rose plant selection was very limited. Now with the internet, you can do your rose selection research online. You can even order your rose plants online. Still, the best source for rose information may be your local rose society. Consider the following when making your rose selection. For your personal and gardening aesthetic considerations, consider the rose's flower colour. You may also want to consider the rose's flowering habit, or how often a rose flowers during the growing season. Some roses only flower once a season, some are repeat flowering, and some are constant or ever blooming. Choose a repeat or ever blooming rose if you want to enjoy flowers throughout the year. Roses are known for their sweet and intoxicating fragrance. If you are particularly drawn to a fragrant rose, choose roses with strong or unique scents. Then when making your rose selection, consider the following practical considerations. Different roses grow to different sizes and shapes. Select a rose that will fit the intended planting location in your garden. The best time to buy and plant a rose is in the spring or fall. Spring planting allows the roses to establish themselves before the hot summer months. However, fall planting can be effective, especially in geographic regions with mild winters. Also, research the hardiness climate zones in your area to determine which roses are best suited for your garden, as some roses either do not tolerate the heat of the south or the cold of the north. Roses are available from garden plant suppliers as either bare root roses or potted roses. Bare root roses are typically more affordable but require more care during planting. Potted roses are easier to plant but can be more expensive. Select roses that are labelled as or proven to be disease resistant. Roses are susceptible to various diseases, including black spot, powdery mildew and rust. These diseases can reduce or eliminate flower production and weaken or kill the rose plant, and the disease may spread from one rose to another rose in your garden. The label disease resistance may not mean disease-free, but indicates a proven ability to resist and or survive the diseases. By selecting disease-resistant roses, you can minimize or eliminate the need for chemical fungicide treatments and enjoy healthier plants. Select roses labelled or proven to be low maintenance. Low maintenance roses, while not entirely carefree, are bred to require less intensive care compared to traditional roses. Plus, they often exhibit disease resistance and drought tolerance. These roses may also be self-cleaning, which means they are generally sterile so they don't develop seeds. Without biological signal to turn on off flower production, the plant keeps on producing more flowers, often another cycle of flowers, just as soon as the previous flowers start to fade, resulting in an ever-blooming rose. Most of the major rose growers now offer low-maintenance roses. These roses have often been proven through field trials to be relatively disease and pest resistant and low maintenance. This is also why more commercial landscapers are now using low-maintenance roses. Some rose growers even have a special brand name for their varieties of low-maintenance roses. The rose may be simply labeled as low maintenance, or easy care, or trouble-free, or the easiest rose to grow, or earth kind. Furthermore, many university horticultural web pages have now started listing the recommended low-maintenance roses for their areas of the country. So when selecting a rose, consider these listed items. But more importantly, look for roses labelled as low maintenance and or disease resistant to ensure a more successful rose gardening experience.